Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will be showing you guys how to outline text in Photoshop. So make sure you follow every step in the video. So first go to the text tool and then create a text. So you can write anything else. I will be writing my name. So let's make it a little bit bigger so you guys can see it. So after that, go to the right side and then double click on your text. And then you will see a layer style menu. So in this menu, you need to click on stroke. So, and then in here, as you can see, you can just change the size of the outline, but make sure that you put it on outside, and then you can just change it to any size you want it. Or you can also change the color too. If you want to make it blue, you can make it blue. Or if you want to make it red, you can make it red. And then click on OK. So this is how you can outline text in Photoshop. See you guys in the next tutorial.